Today, I'm going to show you guys how to install SD.NEXT with ZLUDA. First, install the Git as usual. Then go to this website to download Miniconda. Yeah, I know. I just said I hate Conda in my previous video, but my personal project requires me to face my worst, so let's suffer. Follow along with me. You may install it at the default location, but my C drive is really running out of space, so instead, I'm going to install it in my D drive. At the Advanced Installation options, check all the options available and click Install. I already installed it, so I'm not reinstalling it again. Next, download the HIP SDK from the link given. Choose Full Installation for all sections and click Install. Download the ZLUDA and extract it to a folder. I have my ZLUDA extracted at D drive, path, ZLUDA folder. Then, we will have to update the environment variables. Type environment variable in the search bar on your computer's taskbar. Then, click on Edit the System Environment Variables. A window will pop up. Click on Environment Variables again. Look for Path under System Variables and double-click it. Then, click New and add the paths for where you put ZLUDA and the HIP SDK. Now look at this chart carefully. If your GPU is in this list, you have to replace the library folder inside the Roblas folder. If you have 6600, 6600 XT, 6650 XT, 6700, 6700 XT, congratulations. There is an optimized version of ROCmLibs that improves the speed by 50%. My first image generation took me 5 minutes, and after that, image generation only take me around 6 seconds. A big thanks and shout out to Fremont Dango. Yay! So for the optimized GPU mentioned earlier, please download the optimized version. After you are done downloading, you have to create a library folder yourself and put all the files in it. Type this code at the address bar to go to Roblas folder. Rename the old library folder to anything else as backup. Then move the new library folder to replace it. Finally, here goes for the Stable Diffusion SD.NEXT installation. At the folder where you wish to install your Stable Diffusion, type CMD at the address bar and press Enter. First, we need to create a virtual environment with Conda Create code. Press Y to proceed. Then paste Conda Activate code to activate the virtual environment. Next, we will have to paste the Git clone code. Remember to download your first model from Civit AI website or copy from your existing model to Models, Stable Diffusion folder. Open up your notepad and paste this 2-line of codes and save it as run.bat in the automatic folder. Finally, click the run.bat you just created and wait for everything to load up. If you enjoy my video, remember to subscribe.